Hello dear friends, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this section, this video contains 40 very important multiple choice questions preparing on plant physiology. These questions can help students and competitors scoring higher marks in their competition. Therefore, this whole video having a set of multiple choice questions on the fundamentals of crop physiology that can boost their last minute preparations. So dear friends, let's start. Question number 1. Who articulated the law of limiting factor in photosynthesis? And here option is A. Blackman, B. Calvin, C. Rubin and D. Emerson. And here the right answer is option A. Blackman. Next question, question number 2. Who is regarded as the father of plant physiology? And here option is A. Stephen Hales, B. Fang, C. Fisher and D. Dr.Kuniyal. And here the right answer is option A. Stephen Hales. Next question, question number 3. Who discovered the process of photophosphorylation? And here option is A. Warburg, B. Arnon, C. Calvin and D. Priestley. And here the right answer is option B. Arnon. Next question, question number 4. What is the end product of Calvin cycle? And here option is A. PGA, B. ADP plus NADP, C. RuBP and D. PGAL. And here the right answer is option C. RuBP. Next question, question number 5. Which metabolic pathway produces carbohydrate? And here option is A. Glycolysis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Cyclic electron pathway and D. Calvin cycle. And here the right answer is option D. Calvin cycle. Next question, question number 6. ... have no role in photosynthesis. And here option A. Anthocyanin, B. xanthophyll, C. phycoerythrin, D. phycocyanin. And here the right answer is option A. Anthocyanin. Next question, question number 7. What is the reason behind a plant bending towards the light as it grows? And here option is A. Since green plants are phototropic, B. because oxygen gathered on the shaded side stimulates higher cell elongation, C. since plants need light for photosynthesis, and D. light stimulates cells on the side to grow faster. And here the right answer is option B. because oxygen gathered on the shaded side stimulates higher cell elongation. Next question, question number 8. What is the reason behind cell elongation in internodal regions of plants? And here option is A. indole acetic acid, B. cytokinins, C. gibberellins and D. ethylens. And here the right answer is option C. gibberellins. Next question, question number 9. What is the purpose of trichomes on leaves? And option is A, prevents guttation, B, aids in the rapid exchange of gas, C, increases transpiration, and D, reduces transpiration. And here the right answer is option D, reduces transpiration. Next question, question number 10. Rubisco content in chloroplast is A, 16%, B, 2%, C, 25%, and D, 11%. And here the right answer is option A, 16%. Next question, question number 11. Among the following, indole 3-acetic acid is similar to which amino acid? And option is A, methionine, B, tryptophan, C, proline, and D, phenylalanine. And here the right answer is option B, tryptophan. Next question, question number 12. Which of the following is known as a Hertzsprung pathway? And option is A, C2, B, C3, C, C4, and D, C5. And here the right answer is option C, C4. Next question, question number 13. Among the following, which is a C4 plant? And option is A, pineapple, B, soybean, C, corn, and D, all of the above. And here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, question number 14. Reserve Krebs cycle can be found in. And here option is A, bacteria, B, fungus, C, higher plants, and D, none of these. And here right answer is option A, bacteria. Next question, question number 15. Dot is cruciferous type stomata. And here option is A, dicytic, B, anisocytic, C, anemocytic, and D, actinocytic. And here the right answer is option B, anisocytic. Next question, question number 16. Who gave the theory of osmotic water absorption? And here option is A, Calvin, B, Emerson, C, Atkins and Priestley, and D, Thyman and Kramer. And here the right answer is option C, Atkins and Priestley. Next question, question number 17. Among the following, which is a calm plant? And here option is A, mango, B, coconut, C, kiwi fruit, and D, pineapple. And here the right answer is option D, pineapple. Next question, question number 18. Dot cycle is used by inducible calm plant. And here option is A, C4, B, C3, C, CAM calm plant, and D, all of them. And here the right answer is option D, all of them. Next question, question number 19. Which type of plants store malic acid in vacuoles? And here option is A, calm plants, B, C3 plants, C, C4 plants, and D, C2 plants. And here the right answer is option A, calm, CAM. Next question, question number 20. Among the following, which is an example of upright growth of stems? And here option is A, phototropism, B, positive geotropism, C, negative geotropism, and D, auxetropism. And here the right answer is option B, positive geotropism. Next question, question number 21. Who gave the root pressure theory? And here option is A. J.C. Bose, B. Goldsky, C. Stephen Hales, and D. Boehm. And here the right answer is option C. Stephen Hales. Next question, question number 22. What is the rate of photosynthesis in C4 plants? And here option A. Higher, B. Moderate, C. Low, and D. Very low. And here the right answer is option A. Higher. Next question, question number 23. What is the RQ value of succulents? RQ value means respiratory quotient value. And here option is A. 1, B. 0.5, C. 1.5, and D. 0. And here the right answer is option D. 0. Next question, question number 24. Seeds are treated with ... for stratification. Stratification is the method to remove a barrier of seed dormancy in a particular seeds. Here option is A. Moist seed in low temperature, B. Just low temperature, C. Warm and moist temperature, and D. Normal seeds in low temperature. And here the right answer is option A. Moist seed in low temperature. Next question, question number 25. Among the following, find the physiological disorder. And here option is A. Greening of potato tubers, B. Gall midgut rise, C. Curling of papaya leaves, and D. None of these. And here the right answer is option D. None of these. Next question, question number 26. Hill reaction takes place in, and option is A. Stroma, B. Grana of chloroplast, C. Both A and B, and D. Only grana. And here the right answer is option B. Grana of chloroplast. Next question, question number 27. Dark reaction takes place in, and here option A. Grana, B. Stroma, C. the stroma of chloroplast, and D. mitochondria. And here the right answer is option C. the stroma of chloroplast. Next question, question number 28. ... is the form of carbohydrate transported through Siev's tube after synthesizing in the leaves. And here option A. triose sugar, B. glucose, C. starch, and D. sucrose. And here the right answer is option D. sucrose. Next question, question number 29. What is the function of phenyl mercuric acetate? And here option is A. It reduces transpiration rate, B. It can kill a plant, C. It decreases respiration, and D. none of the above. And here the right answer is option A. It reduces transpiration rate. Next question, question number 30. The amount of water retained by soil after drainage is known as. And here option A. soil water, B. field capacity, C. mineral water, and D. gravitational capacity. And here the right answer is option B. field capacity. Next question, question number 31. Water available for plants within the soil is known as. And here option A. mineral water, B. hygroscopic water, C. capillary water, and D. chemically bound water. And here The right answer is option C, capillary water. Next question, question number 32. What is the name of the process by which turgidity of a cell is maintained? And here option A, wall pressure, B, osmotic pressure, C, diffusion pressure, and D, turgor pressure. And here the right answer is option D, turgor pressure. Next question, question number 33. Wilting of a plant is a result of excessive, and here option A, transpiration, B, absorption, C, photosynthesis, and D, respiration. And here the right answer is option A, transpiration. Next question, question number 34. What is the working principle of a photometer? And option is A, root pressure, B, amount of water absorbed is the same as the amount of water transpired, C, osmotic pressure, and D, none of the above. And here the right answer is option B, amount of water absorbed is the same as the amount of water transpired. Next question, question number 35. Is an example of synthetic oxygen. And here option is A, IAA, B, GAA, C, IBA, and D, CA. And here the right answer is option C, IBA. Next question, question number 36. What is the reason for seed dormancy? And here option is A, starch, B, glucose, C, ethylene, and D, abscisic acid. And here the right answer is option D, abscisic acid. Next question, question number 37. Due to the uneven distribution of ... phototropic curvatures occurs. And here option is A, auxins, B, cytokinins, C, phytochrome, and D, gibberellin. And here the right answer is option A, auxin. Next question, question number 38. Coiling of garden pea around any structure is an example of. And here option is A, thermotaxis, B, thygmotropism, C, thygmonasty, and D, thygmotaxis. And here the right answer is option B, thygmotropism. Next question, question number 39. Which of the following is an example of gaseous plant hormone? And here option is A, IAA, B, gibberellins, C, ethylene, and D, abscisic acid. And here the right answer is option C, ethylene. Next question and last question of this video, question number 40. Among the following, which acid is a derivative of carotenoids? And here option is A, gibberellic acid, B, indole butyric acid, C, indole 3-acetic acid, and D, abscisic acid. And here the right answer is option D, abscisic acid. Thank you friends for watching.